Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a product demo with Canva, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Open Canva and log into your account.
On the home page, click on the Create a Design button. In the search bar, type video to find video templates. Browse through the available video templates and select one that fits your product.
Once the template loads, you can customize the text by clicking on it. Double-click to edit the placeholder text with your product name and details. To change images, click on the existing image and select Replace from the toolbar.
Upload your own product images or choose from Canva's library. Adjust the size and position of the image as needed.
To add more elements, click on the Elements tab in the sidebar.
Search for icons, shapes, or illustrations that complement your product.
Drag and drop any chosen elements onto your design.
Customize their colors and sizes to match your branding.
To add animations, click on the element you want animated. Select the Animate button from the top toolbar and choose an animation style. Adjust the duration and timing for each animation to create a smooth flow. Next, click on the Text tab to add captions or additional information. Choose a text style that aligns with your design and drag it onto the canvas. Edit the text to provide context or key features of your product. To enhance the demo, consider adding background music.
Click on the Audio tab in the sidebar and browse through the available tracks.
Select a track you like and drag it onto the timeline at the bottom.
Adjust the audio length to fit your video duration.
Preview your video by clicking the play button on the right side of the screen. Make any final adjustments to timing, text, or images as necessary. Once satisfied with your demo, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Select Download from the drop-down menu. Choose the video format you prefer and click the Download button.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.